What is going on, everyone? Alright, y'all, let's get busy with a intel update from the British Ministry of Defense, which I did paraphrase because it's an easier listen. In Kherson, Ukrainian brigades continue offensive operations, and Ukraine destroyed a military pontoon bridge at Derivka. Russian forces deployed this bridge after the Ukrainians badly damaged the bridge they were using. The Derivka Bridge was one of the main routes between the northern and southern sectors of Russia's military placement along the Dnieper River. Ukraine's precision targeting of bridges is imposing pressure on Russian forces as they attempt to contain Ukrainian attacks. In addition, it also slows their ability to deploy reserve and resupply material from the east. This next video was filmed by a Russian who was crossing the pontoon bridge when it was hit by at least 2 Ukrainian shells. This pontoon bridge was located at Novokakhovka, which is just outside of Kherson. Intel on this pontoon bridge was provided by local resistance fighters. I could not show the end of this video because it was too graphic and I had to blur the whole entire video, which is very unappealing to watch.
На этом понтончике вшивом. Вот это прилет, яма какая. Куда-то я сюда!
Now we get to see some amazing footage of a Russian lieutenant colonel being captured and bloodied. A Russian lieutenant colonel is in charge of at least 2,000 men and women. Funny part about this is that such a high-ranking officer, he certainly knows Putin well. The look in his face says it all. Troops of the 80th Separate Assault Brigade shot down a Russian Mi-24 helicopter in the Kharkiv region of eastern Ukraine. By watching this video, it appears to be a US Stinger being fired at it. Now we see the Ukrainian 25th Separate Brigade shoot down a Russian Su-25 with another shoulder-fired missile. These two screwball Russians took a civilian vehicle to God knows where, and the one guy's hanging out of the van looking like Swiss cheese, and the other won't shut up. I guess there is a Russian version of Beavis and Butthead, and I guess they skipped their classes at Hope High, where all the other rejects went. This is a surprise assault on Russian positions in the early hours. The Ukrainian soldiers are far superior tactically than the Russians, and you can see this with their movements and combined arms assault. They do bunch up outside of the structures, which is a big no-no, but they have greatly improved throughout this war. Thanks for lending me your time again tonight. Help the channel out by drop kicking the like button and follow me to see more. The silencer is now silent.
Там уже блок ебали. Алло! 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 Ты,